My name is Maxime. I'm working for the HYDROPROCESS company. It's a French company. We manufacture this machine. It's a water jet chef cut machine for food industry. So we cut pastry, cakes, chocolate, confectionery. This exhibition is really important for us because it's a good market. There is a lot of potential and we need to show the machine to our future customers.
Sofiane Memery, Sales Director for Middle East Markets. I'm representing here Sliver, the innovative pioneer of the shrink sleeve technology. We are the specialist of this industry for now 50 years, and we are glad to be here in Dubai during this Gulfood manufacturing. We're here to, of course, introduce our machines, sleeves technology, focused on sustainable development, recyclability. We're allowing brands to recycle their packagings and to find here a networking and to accompany brands during these ecological transitions. It's quite important for us. And we have also all the equipments to deal with all these new trends around sustainable developments for glass, PET and HDPE containers.